Good morning, my Classy Elegance friends. Today I'm going to show you how to do this lovely burgundy type of smoky eye, little plummy, easy to wear during the day and into nighttime, as well as look well presentable. To start off, highlight or outline where my crease is going to be, and for that I am going to utilize the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. This one is the regular chocolate bar, so this one. So it's going to be this one mixed with this one. So those two I'm going to utilize in my crease. I like to take just a fluffy crease brush like so. This is my go-to crease brush, and just dab it in both the colors and just do windshield wiper motions and go back and forth along that occipital bone that you have. We all have it. So wherever yours may lie, just put it there and windshield wiper back and forth. Then the next step, so out of the Book of Shadows 2, mine have been well loved, let's put it that way. I am taking the color Sellout and a flat shader brush. This is the Urban Decay Naked 2 one. And I'm going to use Sellout, and I'm going to put this on the inner corner of my eye, like so. And I typically like to really pack on the shadow color for the inner eye to just keep it kind of light and bright and keeping the eye looking nice and open. It's early morning if you can't tell, and I'm slowly working on my first cup of coffee. Utilize the color Bordello here, and I'm going to put that on the rest of the eyelid. And I'm just taking another flat shader brush and just packing it on the outer part of the lid. And so that's where we're at right now. Now the next step is gonna be to go back in with that fluffy crease brush that you utilize to put on your neutral tone, and we're gonna go in with the color Last Call, and we're gonna create some burgundy shades up above. And the point of this is so that when your eyes are open, you're seeing the color scheme of your eyeshadow look. All right, so this is Last Call, so just a burgundy shade works, burgundy plum. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right over basically where I took the Bordello up and where I put the other crease color, and just do back and forth windshield wiper motions. I am pulling it all the way into the inner part. Do that. All right, now the next step is I like to use this crease brush on, I like to use this crease brush from Urban Decay, and I'm going to go back in with that Too Faced palette, the chocolate bar, and utilize, I think this is white chocolate is what they call it actually. Anyways, that lightest color, I find it works great for blending out shades. It's well pigmented, and it just kind of helps tone everything. So this is how we kind of fix things. Going in with the fluffy brush, we've loaded it up with the white chocolate. And then we're just gonna go right up above there and start from basically the top down. Now what I do is I do go back in with my fluffy crease brush. I'm not adding any more shadow. There's already shadow in here. And I'm just gonna slightly, very lightly, add back in some color, very lightly. You don't want to be heavy-handed with this, like you were initially with the color. Now the next step, I'm going to take a pencil like brush, and I am going to utilize the shade, sorry, there's some dust fall out, Rockstar, which is right next to Last Call. This is a very, I think I would describe it as like a deep plum shade. And this is where we're going to highlight the outer V. So the outer V is basically a line from the outer corner of your eye to where it meets the occipital bone, and then where it meets the occipital bone, you then go up, thus creating a V. So I'm just gonna close my eye and trace out the occipital, trace out that outer V. Alright, now I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush. I am gonna dip it in a little bit of Last Call. I'm just gonna go right above where I just placed that Rockstar shade. I'm gonna just kind of go over the top again and just blend it so that there's no harsh lines. Alright, so like that. And then just to finish this off, I'm going to use a light shadow. It can be the same light shadow that you utilized here, or it could be another one. I'm going to use a slightly different one. And I'm going to highlight right under the brow, like so. So this is the eye look. That's how it turned out. I added eyeliner and eyelashes. The eyelashes I use are from Allure. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments or video requests, please list them below, as well as click on subscribe. I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Take care. Bye.